लोकसभा इलेक्शन्स येता तेचेर कशें पळयता तुमचे एज अ NCP कॅन्डिडेट आसतलो कितें आसतलें तेचेर कितें डिस्कशन?
आम्ही हे इशू आम्ही डिस्कस केला आणि येवनचे इलेक्शनाक लोकसभा इलेक्शनाक आमची वोटींग कशी आसा, लोक कसे सपोर्ट करता, लिडर्स एकमेकांक डिस्कस करून आम्ही ते निर्णय घेता.
No, but like the way you all have in Mumbai, Maharashtra, Mahavikas Agadi, for the center alliance, would it be an alliance candidate or you will support how it is?
See, our honorable party president, Mr. Sharad Pawar, has always said one thing, that like-minded parties, like-minded people should always come together and work together and also raise questions against the opposition. And for us, the principal opposition is the BJP, and we will come together if there are people who are willing to join us and work for the betterment of people and show the mirror to the incumbent government. We'll be happy to come together and work. I agree that we have probably faltered somewhere. We have lost that kind of percentage of vote. But again, at the same time, we are working hard to gain that vote back and add to our vote bank. So we are working towards it. We are understanding the percentage of votes that we had, the percentage of votes we've lost, and the percentage of votes that we can gain further. So the best way to do that, and which we are doing, like you all have seen, where we all are going and meeting people, understanding the thing. So by the time we reach the next elections, whether it's a Lok Sabha or later on, even the assembly election, will be even much better off, and we will try and get that population of voters towards us.
1 year down the lane now for Lok Sabha polls. So what would be your strategy as a desk in charge for Goa, giving advices, tips to your party leaders in Goa?
See, what we are doing is meeting and understanding that where we are going wrong and how we can improve that. What we've been discussing and what I've been telling my people is that for us to get the votes and to get the support of the people, we have to go to the people. And that's what we are doing. If you notice, we are not always sitting in closed doors. One meeting in the closed doors and rest we go out and meet people. That's how we are going to do it. Today also evening we have meetings, going out and meeting people. Tomorrow, day after, all day we are there. We are meeting people. We've also noticed that issues like the Madhe issue, we have issues where land grabbing, law and order situation. Now let me tell you what I was discussing with some people of the press, is how the situation of the roads are. There are roads that are caving in. Now what they are saying is the G20 is going to be held here. जेव्हा G20 होणार तेव्हा तुम्ही चांगलं काम करणार, लोकांक तुम्ही सगळं दिताले. G20 झाला मागीर काले. What are you going to do? So are you working only for the outsiders? Are you only working to show people that we are good? You have to work for the people of Goa. So the incumbent government has to work for the people of Goa. So this is the question we are raising. What are you doing? The CM of Goa kept on saying भिवपाची गरज ना. भिवपाची गरज आसा. वाटेर चालला रोड केवन जाल्यार हांव भितर गेलो. भिवपाची गरज आसा म्हाका.
So like BJP has time and again said, we will win both the Lok Sabha seats. What you will say?
See, BJP every time they say if some state, like for example when Goa elections are on, there are 40 seats in Goa. They said we'll win all 40. In the end, what they did horse trading. They kind of threatened some people. They brought people across that side. So BJP will keep saying that we'll win. I'm surprised they didn't say that we'll win 45 out of 40 seats. So let them say what they want to say.